For all kind of tech related videos, please subscribe our channel. MS Word is very powerful and popular text formatting software. It is used to prepare formatted documents in almost any field. It provides amazing features, but we don't use all of them. In this video, you will learn 5 amazing features of MS Word that you may not know. Let's start today's Techknowledge. If you like MS Word to read your document for you, then you can enable speak feature of MS Word. For that, you have to go to this icon, click on more commands. Over here you have to select all commands, navigate downward, and here you can find speak. Click on speak, click on aid, click on OK. Now you will see this icon over here. Now you can write anything on your text. Now just select the text and click on this icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Techknowledge.
The second amazing feature of MS Word is that you can insert any horizontal line just by triple pressing asterisk key and enter. If you want the solid single horizontal line, you can press the minus sign 3 times and enter. If you want double horizontal line, then press equal sign 3 times and enter. And if you like to add webbed horizontal line, press this character, web character, 3 times and enter. You can even press hash 3 times and enter. So this way you can get different types of horizontal lines. The third amazing feature of MS Word is about inserting a table. To insert a table, that is a very simple way. You can just click on insert and you can insert the table of your choice. But there is a different way also. You can just press plus and then minus 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 and then plus minus plus minus, finally plus. The section between 2 plus will indicate a column. Okay, so if you press enter, then you will get a table over here. The fourth feature is to insert a custom tab. In MS Word, you can see there are lots of tabs and you can add your own tab, and inside that tab you can add your own icons. You just have to go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, click on New Tab. Now you will get the new tab over here. You can position it anywhere you like. I will put it at the last. You can rename this and then, but before pressing OK, you can add some tools under this one. Click here and then add. And then OK. Now in your MS Word, you will find my tab, the custom tab over here. If you click on this, you will find the tabs, you will find the icons or the tools that you have added over here. You can just remove the background of your photo by using MS Word. So for that, let me insert an image. Now when you click on the image, you will see the Format tab. You have to go all the way to the left and you will see here Remove Background. Click on this one. Now you will see some part of the image is highlighted with the dark pink color. the part of the image that is being highlighted with pink color will be removed from the picture. If it is highlighting the part of the image that you want to keep, click on this mark areas to keep, and then you can just do this. Now at last, just click keep changes.